friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for dropping by so I can share another cute little bag with you that I got my hands on. It's from Bendel's. Like, when I heard the news that they were closing, I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to get my hands on everything. So before I show you what it is, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe, that way you always see everything that I bring your way. And I have the Uptown belt bag in this beautiful, like, light champagne gold color, and I absolutely love it. So belt bags are like totally on trend right now. It's like the fanny pack, but you know, we're calling it belt bag because that's fancier and a little bit more bougie and acceptable nowadays than the fanny pack. I just love this coloring, and they have like the little influencer little key charm. Like, if you had your initial, like a charm or any type of thing, you could just clip that on there, which I actually have an L, but it's in silver. But it might go, because you know, you can mix and match metals now. But like, you could just put that there to dangle. It has a pocket right here in the front. Then the back here, the belt, it's nice because it just goes through this loop. But then it basically has this little clasp to just take it on and off. So it's really super easy, which is awesome. And I'll show you what it looks like on. I love that it has the iconic brown and white stripe, adjustable. It's a double zip around, kind of like the Continental wallets. It's similar to that. But when you open it, you can see you have so much space in here. Like, it has the little extra material folds on the side. That way it expands enough so you can, like, actually when it's on your hip, like, you can get your hands in there. That's like one of the biggest downfalls I feel like with some of like the small clutches or these new belt bags, is that the opening is like teeny tiny and you can't even get your hand in there to get things out. So I loved that about this one, that I thought it was super wide and open. There is a zipper pouch, and it's just this stripe little fabric on the inside. There is an extra back pocket as well. It says Henri Bendel, New York, right there on the inside, right there by the zipper pocket. And then on the other side of the pouch, on like the front end of it, there's two big slots. So that's like awesome. It's honestly like a full-on wallet inside this little belt bag. But you have one large little slip pocket, and then, oh, here's the second one. You have a second one right here. And then also, as you can see, it has like all these it has all of these card slots as well, which is really nice. That way, like, I find in certain like clutches and little bags like this that there might be one little slot for your ID, or there is none, and it's kind of like, oh, now I need something smaller even to put into my small bag to like hold my cards. So I think that was like a really awesome little detail right there. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 5 card slots. And then also, super awesome detail is that you have like a little lippy pouch right there that you can just slide your lipstick or lip gloss in. So I just think this belt bag in particular is like the one that you need in your life. And it fits my phone just fine. I have the new XS Plus, and it goes in the pouch just fine, like as far as zipping. I love the leather of this bag. I just think it's really nice. I love this gold color because it isn't very like, it's not yellow, so I think it's nicer because you could wear it with like either rosy things or like more silver tone jewelry, stuff like that. And it's just more like champagne-y looking. But the leather is kind of like that marbled kind of feeling, I guess, that texture to it. Let's put this on though so you can see how it looks. And this is what it looks like on. I think it's just really nice and like a little more chic with the style. It kind of like is thick as far as like sticking out from your hip, but that's just because you get that extra space with it expanding for it to open. So if I had to choose, I'm totally fine with how far it sticks out. I mean, it holds its shape really nicely. I don't have anything inside of there right now, but it still holds like that perfect oval shape, which is awesome. I just put it around the outside of like my belt loops, but if you really wanted to, you could put this through the loops. That way it like really stayed up on your waist. I just like the look of it being a little more loose and kind of like slouch like off to the side a little bit. Also though, if you didn't want to wear it as a belt bag, you can just wear it as like a cute little crossbody. I think it's cute with this little buckle detailing up there on your shoulder. It could still go looser if I wanted to sit down farther, but I think right at like your waistline is like a nice little spot for that option. That is it for me sharing this awesome belt bag with you. If you liked the Uptown belt bag, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell. That way you always are notified every time I upload a video. Other than that, please leave me any questions or comments below. And until next time, I will see you all then. Bye, y'all.